Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi children, how are you today? It's nice to see you again. Today I will tell you a story about Dumbo. Once upon a time, in a very famous circus, lived Mommy Elephant and her baby Dumbo. Dumbo was so special. He has small eyes, long nose, and very big ears. In the circus, there were a lot of boys. The boy laughed at Dumbo's big ears. Mommy Elephant was so angry to them. She screamed to them. They ran away. The boss in the circus was so angry to Mommy Elephant. He shot Mommy Elephant in the train. Dumbo was looking for his mommy, but he couldn't find his mommy anywhere. He was so sad. Then the circus started. The boss in the circus asked Dumbo to jump from a high building. Dumbo was so afraid that he couldn't jump. He felt so sad. But Mr. Timothy the mouse tried to cheer him up. One day, Dumbo and Mr. Timothy met a bird. The bird gave Dumbo a magic feather. With his feather, Dumbo can fly high in the sky. Yippee! In the circus, Dumbo must jump from a higher building, but now he was very confident. He had a magic feather. 1, 2, 3, go! But oops, he lost his feather. But look, moms, dad, boys, girls shouted and clapped at him. Hooray! Hooray!